Okay, so this is vlog number 12 probably. I'm not really sure. Oh no, it's 13. The 12 is yung... I think that's the pay it forward. So anyway, so welcome guys to the channel. Welcome back. Yes, I'm wearing a headband, and yes, I'm currently on a vacation because as what you've seen, I'm basically not in Manila right now. And if you're asking where I am, of course I'm not going to tell you yet. But I am right here, right now, in the room where me and my friends are going to spend the next 2 days just enjoying ourselves. Also, wait. Hey, yeah. Okay, so and also this is being filmed with GoPro Hero 10. I didn't bring my mirrorless because it's heavy, and that's the reason why I bought a GoPro. Also, I have my DJI Pocket, but I think it's too much. Let's say hi to the gang. So here we have Doc. Hi Doc, say hi.
Hello.
It's Doc. That's Raven, Busy. And this is the birthday girl. Well, actually it's not her birthday, but...
Tomorrow.
No, it's not.
When?
So we're still, yeah, it's around, I'm not supposed to say. Anyway, so we're supposed to be 7, but the 3 are running late because reason. So I had a hard time figuring out how to make this TV work, but now it's working. Sadly, yeah, there's no sound and there's a line thingy, but at least we're seeing things. So kasi wala, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to bring you outside to the balcony. There's a good chair and look at the view. Yep, the view is great, and if I'm being honest, you're gonna take right around 2 to 3 hours depending on how fast you drive from Manila to here. And there's like not a lot of people because of the situation right now, but yeah, look at them. Yep. So after tinkering with the television for like 30 minutes or more, it finally has a sound. Would you even believe that? Yay, I can finally watch cable TV again. And yeah. I wonder who's the person Doc's talking to. I know it's none of my business, but you know, it's fun to make fun of your friends while they don't know it. In a little way. Not too much, because you're an asshole if you do that. Do you know what's the worst thing about vacation with your friends? Is when you thought that you're gonna have fun but ended up yeah, and it's just like 9 p.m. So where's my fan at?
Mahal na yung isa't isa.
Hoy!
Wala yan.
Ang sakit na ako.
Paglabas ka dito kay Magdaan, yung unang parents na sa baba.
May pinagkaiba ba? Pag...
May apat na lalaki nandun.
Tapos? Kala ko kung bakit.
Yung sa'yo sinasabi sa kanila.
Okay, tara!
Doon na.
My bad. So, there's a lot of shells. Kailangan pala magchinelas, di ako aware. At binili ko yung dome para kita yung hate, yung horizon, tsaka yung sa ilan. Pero since wala na akong time.
At credit din dito.
Hindi, mostly wala lang akong time kasi paalis na tayo nung na-realize ko yun. And sabi ko parang may mabibilang ba ako ng 6 AM na willing magbenta ng dome?
Yes, pang scrub.
Scrub tayo. Ako pwede umano para kahit umano ako hindi ako masyadong masasaktan sa bato. Pag medyo na malayo ka, mas maano yung bato.
Mas malalim siya.
Kaya nga ayoko na rin dyan eh.
Former ba to?
Pag first time ka nagkaroon ng accent cam, kahit ano gagawin mo. Ay wala siyang boss. Pag ginano ko, bye 30k. Hindi oh. Hindi mo sila. I mean, hindi mo naman makawala. Nasaan ba ito? Masarap. Kanin na lang kulang. Karangag na. Mas masarap kanin. Time to go back to the shop.